Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can download and install Eclipse for Geometry Dash. So without further ado, let's get started. First step, what you need to do here is to open a browser, and then you need to write Geometry Dash and click the link, press download and download for Windows or other platforms. In my case, it will be Windows, and wait until download process is done. And after it's done, just click on it, press OK, next, agree, next, install, and wait until installation process is done. Then press next, finish, open up Steam, go to Geometry Dash, and we need to wait for a couple of seconds until it loads up. Okay, then press on this icon here, go to download, and then write Eclipse here. Press get, install, wait until installation process is done, and restart. And again, you need to wait for a couple of seconds until it restarts. And then you just need to press tab and you will see a bunch of different things that you can change. So for example, if I change enable no clip and press tab again and go into the game, you can see now I don't need to do nothing. No clip mode is working. So that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.